everybody. So in this video I wanted to discuss my new app, why I created it and what it's all about. I'm going to try to keep this video super short. So the app is a web-based app. So I have been working with Chris Drake. He's my main man who takes care of all my website needs and all my technical issues. And I told him, look, I just want something really simple for people that they can just click on a button on their home screen and it's going to direct them to some of my best content. Because I was like, so I have my podcasts, so I can send people to iTunes, or I could send them to Stitcher, or I can send them to Castbox or SoundCloud. But then I also have my Facebook page. Then I also have my Facebook groups. Then I'm also posting content on my Instagram as well. And then it's here, there, it's everywhere. And I've put stuff on the HEDA guide, and I've put stuff on YouTube, and I've just stuff everywhere. I've content everywhere. And I feel like I'm always telling people to, hey, go check this out, it's over here. Or hey, go listen to podcast number blah blah blah, it's over here. So I wanted to have one place that I could just say, hey, check it out on the app. It's under the Knowledge Bombs tabs, or it's under the podcast tabs, or just one place, so I'm not sending people left, right, and center and everywhere. So I wanted something really simple. And because I like things simple, I said, hey Chris, what's the easiest way to do this, and what's the way that it's not going to cost me my firstborn child, that it's going to be easy enough? So we agreed that a web-based app would be best. And what that means is that you will just log into a website, so here we have, you can't see it, but you will eventually when you get the app. Here is my little icon. So if I click on this, so it's going to bring you to my web-based app. So it's a website page, and you've got your login and everything like that. And then on the bottom of this, so if you own an iPhone, you would click on the sharing tab, and it'll say add to home screen. So once you add it to the home screen, that's going to save the login page to your home screen. So then you'll just log in there whenever you want a shemaine fix, and you will be then directed straight to the web-based app, where you'll have all the different tabs. So there's a Knowledge Bombs tab, there's a Recipes tab, there's a Podcast tab, there's Biohacking tab, there's a Contact Me tab, and there's a Movement tab. So the Movement tab is new. I've compiled a bunch of my movement videos to help people, and I've added in a few routines. And Megan Som, who is a yoga teacher and resilience coach, and a dear friend of mine, has given us some yoga moves as well to implement into the app, because I felt, well, hey, I can cover the strength and endurance and some of the mobility moves, but how about we just give people a little bit extra in case they need it. So she kindly offered to add in some videos. So thank you, Megan. Anyway, so I put all this out to Chris, and he came back to me with kind of blueprints, and straight away I was like, yep, that's it. That's what I want. This is going to be easy. So there was also another reason I wanted an app, because I know I have a lot of followers, and the reason I do this is to help make a difference. It really is to help as much as I can. Like every round of the HEDA guide, I will give away a free spot to someone that I feel will benefit it and needs it, but maybe can't afford it. I give away a lot of free knowledge and content and tips, and here you can do this, it's really going to help you. But I know people want a bit more from me, and not everyone can afford, say, the HEDA guide or to work with me privately, and then there is only one of me to give away so much content. So I figured, well, if I could put some of my best stuff straight into one place where people could just look at it for a really like affordable price, then it's a win-win for everyone. So maybe if someone can't afford the HADA guide or can't afford to work with me, the app may be a bit more affordable for them and have the answers that they're looking for. So with all this taken into consideration, the app was created or has been created, and I'm super happy with it. I am. I really think it's going to benefit people, and I'm more than open to suggestions if people would like to see me add some stuff into it, or a topic or a tab maybe in the future, or I don't know, maybe products I use or something. I don't know, but this is why I created the tab, and this is how it's going to work. So if people do need instructions on how to get it to save on an Android phone or even a Google or Windows phone, we will definitely happily find you some, or when I say we will, I mean Chris will find you the instructions because I won't. But again, on the iPhone, it's pretty simple. You'll just open the first time you log into the new app. On the login page, you're just going to click at the bottom, save to home screen. Boom, that's it. It's going to be one of your little apps. So from now on, all you have to do is click on that, and it's going to bring you directly to everything you need. So that's it. I hope I explained it well. That's all I have to say about it. If you've any questions, shoot them my way. And I really do hope that if you do avail of the app, that you enjoy it and you find it useful. And if you don't find it useful, please tell me why. Reach out and tell me why you don't find it useful, and I will try and get it sorted. Okay, thank you. Bye.